Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're finally back working on the Vitacci rocket, and today what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna take off the handlebars, the oil cooler, the front tire, the fender, everything that needs to be removed so I can get this frame ready to paint. So without further ado, let's get to the video. Here we go. So guys, it has been already like 2 or 3 weeks since I worked on this motorcycle. I had some personal issues that I have to take care of. But as you can see on the screen, the frame is finally ready for primer. And I know it doesn't look like it used to be. Actually, I had to go to work and use the air compressor and the sandblaster to get rid of all the paint that was on the frame. I did some welding here and there. Everything I did it off camera. I couldn't take my camera to work. But the most important thing is that we can finally start finishing this bike. But first we're gonna do the primer, then we're gonna paint it black. And then I'm gonna start assembling the bike. So I'm gonna take the frame outside and let's get to the action. So guys, finally I got to paint the frame of the scooter, and as you can see, it looks pretty sick. But let me move out of the way so you can check it out. So I don't know you, but personally I think this thing looks insane. It looks crazy, man. So I'm pretty happy of how everything is coming out. I honestly didn't think it was gonna look this good. And there is a few things that I did off camera, which is this part right here. This is where the battery is gonna go now. And this is the battery I'm gonna put on. This battery is bigger than the one that the scooter used to have. This is actually for a Honda CBR 600RR, which I'm gonna need more amperage or voltage for the starter, because this starter, in order to turn on the engine, the compression is gonna be higher. So the starter that I got needs a bigger battery to function properly. So anyways, this is where the battery is gonna go. And let me show you one more thing. So this is the seat that the Vitacci rocket comes from the factory, but I'm gonna install this one. This one, it was custom made. It has blue stitching, and I think it's gonna be perfect when everything is done. So the only thing that it's left is to wet sand all the fairings, and I think I'm gonna start with this gas tank fairing, and I'm gonna sand it down because I'm gonna paint it again. This is gonna be gray or gunmetal gray. This is gonna be blue steel, but the blue that I'm gonna use is a little bit lighter. It's more metallic than this one, so I think it's gonna look great. This is looking insane. So this is more or less how the bike is gonna look. But you know what? I think I need to stop talking and get to work. So guys, I just wanted to show you around the paint booth. Everything is ready. This is the filters for the ventilation system. I got 2 blowers on the back, right there. The blue one is to inflate the paint booth, and the orange one is for the ventilation system. I got my compressor ready right there. But the thing, I'm trying to hurry up because I don't know if you can see on the sky, it looks like it's gonna rain. So let me show you real quick inside the, I'm taking off my shoes. So this is the inside of the paint booth. As you can see, I have all the parts ready to be painted. I just gotta put some wax and grease remover. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna paint everything. I think the color is called gray gun metal, which is something similar to this, but I don't like this color because this is raw plastic. So we're gonna do some gunmetal color. So guys, it's gonna rain today in about 5 hours. I wasn't gonna paint today, but you know what, I gotta risk it if I want the biscuit. And as you can see, I really do like biscuits. So let's get everything ready and let's start painting. So guys, we're finally back from the paint book, and honestly I was pretty nervous because I thought I wasn't gonna be able to paint these motorcycle fairings, because the last time I did it, it was like 3 years ago. But as you can see, man, everything looks amazing. It looks really, really nice. I'm very happy with it and how everything it's turning out. But man, everything looks really, really, really nice. I know you might not see the difference between one paint and another, but let me show you real quick how the paint used to look. So this is the front fender, and as you can see, it's in pretty nasty condition. And this is the new one that I'm gonna install. It's not much of a difference. The old paint was a little bit darker, but I really like this one. This one on the sun, it has a lot of, you know, metal. It's kind of really sparkly, if that's a word. And also I painted this, I'm going to call it crash bars. These ones go on the side of the motorcycle just like this, and they used to be red, like orange red. It was like red, but it looked a little bit orange. I like this color better. I think it's gonna make everything look nicer. And also I make some changes to the engine. I don't know if you can see the difference, but I painted this again and this part too. Let me give you a closer look. So that's how the engine looks, and I don't know what you think about it. I think it looks pretty nice. This is the old cover for the valve head, and as you can see, the color is a little bit different. This one is more on the bluish purple side, which it was perfect for the other paint that I have on the motorcycle. But I think this one looks so much better. Also, I don't know if you noticed, but I changed these bolts for these head screws with the blue washer, and I think that makes it look way better. So guys, I hate to say it, but I think that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I honestly thought that I was gonna turn on the engine on this video, but I don't know where is the wiring harness for the scooter. I'm gonna look for it. If not, I'm gonna have to buy another one. Also, I don't have any gas lines to put on the carburetor. I thought I had some, but I couldn't find them either. So probably in the next video, that's where I'm gonna finish everything. I honestly don't want to milk these videos too much because this project is long overdue. I want to apologize. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.